Today I will talk about the seven elements of wellness in our seminar class have gotten before. Recently, I did some actions to reach the target which I established before. And now let's talk them one by one. Firstly, it is emotional wellness, managing good time schedule to reach this element. I have had a good time management right now. Like I will do my study work first after class before having other entertainments like play video games or watching TV shows. In addition, I forced me to go to bed before 1 a.m. every night to keep a good sleep cycle. Secondly, it is environmental wellness. I went outside to breathe fresh air near green plants, which can help our metabolism. Yeah, I think so. Thirdly, it is intellectual wellness. In order to reach this target, I had to study other after class knowledge harder, like improving my English skills by listening English video or watching English news, or I have another study skills to watching TV series to get American cultures. And besides, I can learn some English daily sentence in them. Yeah, you know that it's gonna really help me to when I am talking with American native speaker. That yeah, it's really helpful. And for the first element is occupational wellness. I tried, but it was quite difficult for me to do some other work like volunteers or doing some part-time jobs. I had no experience to do them based on having not very good English skills, so I failed to do them. The first element is physical awareness. I did some exercise before having breakfast every morning. Yeah, like jogging or body practice. It is a really good process for me to do exercise in the morning. I feel like my body and yes much better and something like that. The sixth element is social wellness. I joined a calculus club. Yeah, my professor recommends this club for my calculus professor recommends this club for us, and it has really helped me to come up some solutions to solve calculus problems. All of the people in the club are patient. Yeah, you know that no more words can be used here to describe them, because um, I'm not very clever and I can hardly understand calculus. Yeah, some of the calculus problems, and they explain them to me many times. Later, I feel it was embarrassed for me to ask them, but they said it's okay. And one of them is a TA that's named Cody, and he talked to me, and he was he was confused that there are seldom students ask him calculus problems when they are studying calculus. He said he was happy with me to solve math problems together, and he also said it's okay when I'm asking his calculus questions. The last one is spiritual wellness. In order to reach this goal, I went to my American friend to ask him how he can calm himself down to when he has the difficulties, and what he can do to treat these difficulties correctly. His response, I think, it was very good, and he said, "Consider them as your baby. If you don't educate them early, they will become an asshole in the future. So the same like solving difficulties. I had to solve my difficulties as soon as possible. This is the 7 elements that I learned before. Yes, that some of them I have reached very well, and some of them I need to do make more effort into them. Thank you.